back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So if you're new to this channel, check it out. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. So today I want to do a review and tutorial of the Nicka makeup. This is a new eyeshadow palette. I believe I saw this in my beauty supply store. This is the Sunset Sangria. So I wanted to film this and show you guys how the look turns out. I never really dipped into this brand before. I do have a couple other palettes, but I never really actually used it. So today I want to do an actual eyeshadow look and I want to see how it's going to turn out. So if you want to see the results, keep on watching. So I have my eyes primed, so I want to go in probably with this shade right here. I'm going to add this in the middle of my lid, probably in the crease area. Next, I'm just blending out the edges of the second shade, and then next I'm going to finish the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put the color on. Hopefully you guys can see how it goes from pink to that coral color, hopefully. To me, I like how it looks in person. I think I want to do like some type of moon shape. Now, y'all know how it is when you cut your crease. The brush just have its own mind, and sometimes it don't turn out how you want it to turn out. I am going to pray that I get the shape that I'm looking for, that I want to have on my eye. But yeah, still got to master this cut crease stuff. With my crease, did I record that? All right, I finished my cut crease. I did go ahead with a clean brush. I put some of my Aspen translucent powder on top of the cut crease so that it can dry faster and so that I can have, like, you know, a clear platform. So I am going to go in with, I want to use this gold right here. And I also want to use this color. So I'm going to put this in the middle of my lid and then this on the side. Alright, both the eyes are done. Hopefully you guys can see how it's looking. Sometimes my lighting just F's everything up, so hopefully you guys can get a clear detail of the color. It looks really good in person. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm going to be using my NYX, and I'm also going to be using Inglot. Alright, so I'm done with my eyeliner. Oh yeah, I forgot to do my mascara. So I decided to go with some different lashes that I had laying around. I did not like how those came on. They looked too see-through, and I like dramaticness. So this is how they look. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face off camera to save us all some time. Plus I need the room on my camera so I can film. I have some other videos I have to do, so I'll be right back because I do want to do swatches on this palette and I do want to give you guys my thoughts, so I'll be right. All right, so I finished my makeup. Next I'm about to do my lips. I have my MAC Chestnut pencil, and then I have my Kat Von D. I have Damned, and I also have Bihaya 5. If I'm butchering that, I apologize. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead and do my lips. Just an FYI, I did do my under eye. I did black liner, and then I went in with that pink shade and I smoked it out. All right, so I am back. I hope you guys like how this look turned out. Gorgeous. It is popping. I hope you guys like it. So I want to jump into this palette and give you guys my thoughts on the colors that I did use, and I do want to do some swatches on the colors that are in this palette. So once again, this is the NK Sunset Sangria. This is the palette, very pretty, only $5. So this is how it's looking with it off. The mattes performed pretty well with this palette. I like how it performed. The shimmers, or duochromes I should say, they were, I think these are shimmers, or they might be duochromes. I never can tell the difference. I think I can, but some of the shimmer shades sometimes come off as duochromes. But to me, these are not two-tone colors, so they're shimmer shades. So one thing I do want to point out is that these shimmer shades are very soft. I actually like my shades to be soft because they're easier for me to apply. Some people don't like that, but the mattes that I used, they were pigmented, as you can see. I don't have any creasing at the moment. Well, I only had this on for about like 30 minutes. But overall, I'm very impressed by this palette. They did have another one at the store, so I'm going to have to go and buy that because this is nice. This is really, really nice. I really like how this turned out. For a beauty supply eyeshadow, this is a good deal, a great value. Wow. Oh, I am gonna do some swatches as promised. These two, see, these two right here look like shimmers. These look like shimmers. It's just that these two, like these two right here, and these two. I wonder if these are duochromes because they're softer, but they're not too, or iridescence. Y'all tell me in the comment section because I don't know. These two are softer, and then these two I know for a fact are shimmers, but they're like hard. They're not, you know what I'm trying to say? I hate when I be discombobulated when I'm trying to explain something, but these two right here are soft, and I think they might be iridescent or a different form of a shimmer. But yeah, as you can see on these swatches, these are it. And then I'm gonna swatch these two. So let me clean off my hand. Well, I can put it on my pinky actually. Let me put this other one. So you can see two colors. I put both the colors on the same pinky. Hope you guys can see that. But yeah, they are very pigmented. This is such a wonderful, beautiful palette, y'all. If you was to buy this, you will not be disappointed. This is really a great buy. Wow. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Love you guys, and bye.